Hi, I'm Jess. So we're going to talk about flats today. Everyone thinks they're the safe bet. That is cheap to buy, easy to manage, low risk. But here's the story. Speaking as somebody who owns flats and houses, there's a problem. Most people buy flats thinking property works like a spreadsheet. They think it's all about the numbers on the page, on that spreadsheet. They don't see the reality. And the reality is this: flats aren't actually that simple, not really. Buying them's more complicated. Once you own them, you're trapped by things, rules, other circumstances you can't control. That's lease lengths, service charges, freehold restrictions, other occupiers, other people's tenants. These aren't minor annoyances. They decide what your property's worth, not the market. You've also got a more transient tenant more often. Your flat owner, flat tenant comes in and out. Meanwhile, houses, for my mind, they give you control. You own the land, you call the shots, you decide what works, what improves, what stays or what goes. You can knock a wall down if you want. Over time, that control compounds. It's not sexy. You don't get Instagram-worthy graphs and graphics, but the house you manage well, in my experience, will always outperform a flat. Here's the kicker. Most people still chase flats because it looks easier. They ignore those invisible handcuffs until it's too late. And that's why you feel stuck. Even when you're investing wisely, you're behind because you bought a flat. Doesn't always ring true. If you do your numbers and you spot the issues and it still works, it works. But most people miss that. So you end up behind because you misunderstood the rules. Once you see how control drives value, that game changes. It's not hype, it's not luck, just mechanics. Houses let you control the mechanics, and flats too often, not always, too often, leave it to someone else. So if you're serious about building property that works with you, my advice, start with houses. It's not an opinion, it's what the market proves. Think about your next move, where you want control and where do you want to feel trapped? Nowhere. And there you are, flats versus houses. If you want more real world, no fluff property thinking, there's more in the next video.